In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish on a Confluence page. Publishing content to a Confluence page is an essential skill for teams looking to document their projects, share knowledge, or organize their resources effectively. Confluence, a robust collaboration tool developed by Atlassian, allows users to create, share, and collaborate on content effortlessly. Today, we'll walk you through the simple process of publishing or updating information on a Confluence page. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Confluence website. Once you're there, make sure to sign in using your credentials. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your Confluence dashboard. Here, you'll find all the spaces you're working with. Think of spaces as folders or projects within Confluence where related pages and content are stored. Look for and click on the space that contains the page you wish to update or publish to. Navigating through spaces is an intuitive way to organize and locate your content. Once inside the correct space, the next step involves finding the specific page you want to update or publish. If you're working with a lot of pages, this might take a moment, but generally, Confluence's layout makes it easy to navigate through your content. Click on your page to open it. With your page open, direct your attention towards the top right corner. Here, you'll see three vertically aligned dots, often referred to as the More Actions button. Clicking here will unfold additional options related to your page. Among these options, you'll find the Edit button. This is your gateway to modify the content of the page. Whether you're adding more information, updating existing content, or making stylistic changes, the Edit option gives you full control over your page's content. Now, after your edits are done, the final step is to make your changes live by clicking either Publish or Update. This button's label changes depending on whether your page is new or already existing. For a new page, you'll see Publish, making your page publicly visible within your Confluence space. For an existing page, the button will say Update, which applies your changes to the already live page. Remember, every edit and publication is immediate and will be visible to anyone who has access to your Confluence space. It's always wise to double-check your work before hitting that final button. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully navigated the process of publishing on a Confluence page. Confluence is a powerful tool for team collaboration and documentation. The more you use it, the more you'll discover how its features can assist in organizing and streamlining your team's workflow. Feel free to play around with the various formatting and content options Confluence offers. A well-organized Confluence page can drastically improve your team's ability to find and use vital information, making everyone's workday a bit easier. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to come back for more tutorials on making the most out of Confluence and other productivity tools. Happy publishing!